Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. I've been waiting for this bright sunlight to come in the room so I can make this video. Firstly, I want to say please contribute to my GoFundMe to get a better camera, a brighter camera, one that can do amazing stuff. The link is in the description down below. If you don't want to go through GoFundMe, you can PayPal me, and I'll leave that email for you to PayPal me as well. Just to contribute, anything at all is greatly appreciated. Let's get into the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not getting notification or anything like that, there's a little bell icon beside my subscription. You can click that bell icon and it will highlight and show that you'll get notification when I post videos from it instantly, instead of waiting hours just to get my videos when they do come out. But today I want to talk about doubt. To me, doubt is basically uncertainty, a feeling of uncertainty or lack of conviction. To me, doubt is a disease. Doubt creeps up on you. Doubt get in the way of many things. When we have doubt, is basically lacking confidence. We don't believe in ourselves to the point where we need to. For example, you went through college, you studied, you studied to be a teacher, or you studied to be a doctor, but when you're on the operating table, you have so much fear, you have so much uncertainty building up inside of you that you don't believe in yourself anymore, that you don't believe in your ability. You basically are fearful that you might fail, so that prevent you from being the best you can be, because you can be a student or a B student, or you can be one of the best, but doubt can cripple all of your achievement. And I realized that in order to get through doubt, there's a process, and that process is called experience. No, even with experience, as experience is basically repetition. By doing more things, repeating it constantly, you have the knowledge now that you're able to do it. Just like this, for example, making a video, knowing how to edit. The more I edit, the more experience I become. I can now visualize editing. I can basically be over the phone and talk to somebody and basically tell you guys, hey, you need to import this file here, you need to put that there, video is above, the audio is at the bottom, you can lock it in, you can take out that, you can cut this, you can clip that. So it's basically that. Practice makes perfect. So the more you practice it, the more experience you get, the less fearful you are of the end result. So doubt have a major role in our lives. Doubt is a disease, and what I'm trying to say to you is that in order to get over doubt, you have to practice, you have to gain the experience, you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your ability. Because if you don't believe in your ability, you're basically failing. If you don't have that conviction to say, all right, I can do this, I'm going to succeed, I'm going to pass that exam, motivate yourself, push yourself, tell yourself that I can do it, believe in yourself. The belief get rid of doubt. The belief is the opposite of doubt, and along with practice and experience, that goes hand in hand. So the more you practice it, the more you assemble or reassemble a computer, the more you talk to people, the more confidence you get. The more I be in front of this camera, is the less doubt I have that whatever I'm saying won't make sense, that it will actually make sense, because I've been practicing over and over and over. The more I do it, so repetition helps to get rid of doubt. So take that into consideration. Even for a relationship, when you're going to a relationship, there's doubt. Oh, is he going to treat me good? Is the relationship going to work? Am I going to be the best person I can be? Am I going to love this person? All of those things are doubt. Get rid of the doubt. Go in open mind. Go in with optimism. Go in with a new sense of belief that this can work. Once I work hard, once I put in the hard work, then I can achieve it. I can be great. I can make this relationship work, or I can get this promotion at my job. I can basically be the best boss, be the best employee of the month. I can go in and I can make some money, or I can go in and I can change people's lives. I can go into the classroom and I can teach all my students, and I can get 100% passes. not, not to say that you can't get 100% passes from your students in the classroom, but that's kind of more on the difficult side. But you get the drift. You get the drift that I'm saying. You basically, you can get that 85 to 90%, overall pass for your class. Being a good teacher, you work hard, and you boost your students and give them confidence. You fill them with optimism and pride and belief. You motivate them so they can, they look at you and they take you as an example. When you see the grades coming, you say, yes, I did it. I teach my students and they learn and they understand, and here is the result. So, use that. Use that as motivation. Use this video as motivation to make yourself believe, to make yourself better, to accomplish stuff, to get rid of the doubt. So remember, doubt is a disease that we don't need. We don't need doubt in our life. We don't need doubters either. We don't need people to basically drag us down. We only need people to uplift us. So that is my message to all of you. I know I went deep and I went left and I went right, but the overall message is get rid of the doubt. Doubt is a disease. Get rid of it. Find ways that you can motivate yourself and push on. Self-motivation is key as well. Find external influences to motivate you to get rid of the doubt out of your life, because it affects your life on all levels. So you have to take that into consideration. So motivate yourself. I just want to encourage each and everybody, and you guys are encouraging me as well, because I've seen people donated. People promised to donate, and I was surprised, because I remember when I started the JVLOGS t-shirt, and I was trying to get a camera just like the one that I have now, and I published it back then when I was basically really small, like 300 subscribers. I was asking for help with the t-shirt and stuff like that, and that didn't work. So that kind of filled me with doubt, because I'm not perfect, I'm far from it, but in certain areas I have a little doubt. But still, with me though, even if I have a little doubt, I'll push on. So I'm taking my own advice as well. So you guys have to understand that I'm not perfect. Even though I'm giving you advice, I'm taking the advice, I'm listening to myself as well. So I'm not really confident where people giving me money is concerned, where people supporting me is concerned. I'm more the type to like, go get it yourself, work hard, do that, boom, 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 boom. But clearly things have changed. I don't know what I've done. I've continued to be myself. I've continued to be straightforward and kind and help people and stuff like that. So I guess the rewards are coming in, because you guys, are contributing so far. I have a long way to go with the goal, but I really appreciate it, and it look positive. It optimistic. So you guys, I really appreciate all the support so far. Everybody that can help, that can't help, that wish me luck, I really appreciate it. But promote it, help me, because I want to do better on the channel. I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of ideas, but I can't execute them with how things are now. So keep that in mind as well. But thank you very much for watching the vlogs. I'm going to end the video soon. Thank you very much for watching JVLOGS. Thank you very much for supporting me, Mark Plunkett. Remember to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the description, in the comment section below, and just enjoy the channel. Enjoy me, have fun, live, laugh, and grow. Stay safe, people. Mark Plunkett. Wakanda forever. I'm out.